something very short, radio, TV, and then I put radio again. RADIO, TV, RADIO. Like, would you say that's good? So now when you just take out the IOOI and put TV in there, it says toi, voi. Toi in French says 3. It also says you. It says U10. U10 is 2110 equals to 31, which is 7 times 3, 7 plus 3. But irregardless to that fact, it says MASH 4077th radar. Hear me and see me. Hear my voice. Right inside the word. Now, how ironic is that possible to hear it inside just the own words? Radio is R and A. R and A is the letter A and H, because A, the shortest distance from all A opens up from a point, and it goes all the way around 360 degrees without even moving. It creates 1 day a day. And by going around even one mark, every time A goes around, each side of this goes around. Every single side, every polar. So the minute I switch one polar, this is 180 degrees. This is 360. 2 turns on 4 sides, 360 degrees. So that means in 2 turns, okay, 2 turns, right? 2 turns. In 2 turns, we create 4 sides of 90 degrees. Here to here, here to here. The minute this turns 1/4, this turns 1/4. The minute this turns 1/4, this turns 1/4. That's 1 day. Now watch this. We're going to start on 6, okay? We're going to start on 6, okay? Here's the beginning. Here is the end. 2 turns equal to 360 degrees. 1 more turn, boom, 2 days in 1 day. How do I know? Because I turned all the way around. I created 2 days out of 1 day. So in 3 days, 6 days have gone by, and they have gone by all around what creates the middle. There are 4 parts to 360 degrees, equaling to 1/4. The time clock itself, because we have to go around it, 4 times 1/4 equals to 1. So it's 3 and 1 and 3 and 1, equaling to a total of 7 days. The reality of the 7th gate is because 3 days are in the center. Center C, 3 days in the center, 3 days to the left, 3 days to the right. Connecting 1 together is 10. The Mayan 10-18 schedule. Ra, 1 and 8. Dio, D10. D times 10 is 40. Radio and TV, the T and the D are big time. It's the difference between the cat and the dog. The D is the totality of that T. Why? Because D is the 4th letter. It's 04. It's made up with the number 1 and the number 3. Only B and A are not made up with 1 and 3. B is made up with the separation between A up here and A down here. The pause on each end. That's how we create it. Inside over here becomes the reality difference. This is the first polar, 1 and 5. The second polar is 5 and 9. The reality is 1 and 5. This one is 2, and this one is 4. 1, 2, 4, 5. There is no 3. 1, 2, 4, 5. 3 is in the center. 1, 2, 5. Where the 5 is over here, right? But now the 5 is in the corner. 1, 2, 5, 4. And in between over here is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The letter Z, the letter Z, the letter N. All the creation of the letters and how and why. Do we understand why? Because we're no longer going 1, 5, 9. We're now going just 1 to 5. We're stopping 5 over here in this one position. That's why we go Jesus, 1, 5, 5, 1. 47 times 33 equals 1551, the birth of Jesus. 74 Jesus and 77 Christ. 7 by 7 is 49, the 7th gate, the 6th ball, and the 14 ball in full. The 14 ball equals to 5. It also equals to 4. It equals to 5 and 4 equals to the sun connected to the 6th ball. The 6th ball is 0, 6 equaling to 4 and 2, 1 and 5, 3 and 3, and all the combinations that make up the reality of 6. That's why it's 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. understanding that if you have 300, you have two zeros, the 300 part, the 3 goes in the middle of the two zeros. Or keep the two zeros apart from each other and put the number in the center. If you get, let's say, 300, right? Well, put the 3 right over here. If you get 20, well, 20 is just two parts, 10 and 10, right? 10 times 10 is 100 times 3 parts. 200 times 2 parts. 1, 3. 2 is on the line. 2, 5, 8. 4, 5, 6. Jesus was on the cross. You're damn right. They just put a turkey, a chicken on top of the rooster. I didn't even finish writing that down. I just keep writing things over and over and over and over and over. And, you know, designing the beehive, right? The beehive. And then in between the beehive is, boom, the division. I take this, I put it inside here, I connect this. I take this, I put it inside, I connect this. I dislocate, I relocate, I dislocate, I relocate. Imagine if this was boats or condominiums, right? How would you like a condominium like this? Here's your door, you come in. Imagine if it was a nice day, you can open up your whole door. Underneath here in the space, we'll all make chicken heads. All these little areas will make chicken heads, and they'll redesign this star. See, this is the beginning of this star. It's also the chicken head. These, imagine if there was a great flood and you lived by the ocean, all these would break apart from each other. Each one of them made with wheels inside. And imagine your own apartment building made with wheels. And it can be used as a boat, a submarine. And if you were caught in a big storm, all these houses, instead of being on top of each other, will all slide off of each other. Regardless, would you rather be in a house that was crushed or just slide off of each other in that time? And then it'll settle in the water. And then when they all settle into water, they all connect together in a circle. Or any way you want, any shape you want. Just run your boat and they will all connect. You won't be able to speed. You won't be able to do much maneuvers with them. They'll be for certain, whatever reality you want to live in. Anyways, just let me finish the story, okay? Stop stopping me. So these boats all connect together. You put the chain link in between all of them. You put the netting. If you're ever stuck on the water, you got this great big island of 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 apartments. All your neighbors that you hated, now you connect all together and you have an island on the ocean. You can even grow vegetables on this island. You can do anything you want on this island. Anyways, I'm just making up some story of the reality of the truth that it is possible to create this because, anyways, I know it works. What else are we going to go in here to do? I know I'm missing something. I did the 1111, yes. Here's the one thing I did not do yet. The reality of 10 function. We go to 9 in order to finish the first one. The first one finishes here. But nothing starts in the first position, right? Here's the first one in 10. Then we count again. The next box finishes at 8. Begins at 10. It ends at 8. 18. This box over here begins at 9 and ends at 17. 17, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the first one over here. It took 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. On the 41st one, we reach box E and in the center, 1, 2, 5 memory. This 4 is split. This one is split. Now I'm asking myself a question. Is it 10 or is it 11? Should I come to 9 and this 10 would be the ending of this 9 and the beginning of the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. End and begin. End and begin. This is the way I think it has to be done, but at the same time, I must advance. That's how I advance this number, 10, and I start on the next one. You always need to start on 1. If 0, 1 does not advance in a 10, here's the end of this, but you need to get to the next box, half in, half out. Are you following my thing? Here's 9, here's 9, here's 9, here's 9. So I got the 10 here. But use 10 and 1 is the same thing. Use 10 as the ending number and the beginning number, 10. So I use it and I end 9, 10. And I use 9, 10. So 10, 1 begins everything, and 2 is the center. Once you come to 1, once you come to 1, it automatically must go to 3. It must take the whole side. It's this whole side and it's this whole side. These whole sides come together, this side and this side, okay? But in numbers, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. All 10s play into one spot except for the first one. 10, 18, This would be 19. 1 and 9 is 10. This would be 28, connection to the moon. This would be 35. 10. 3 and 5 is 10. 5 and 3 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 times 3 is 15 and 8 is 23 and 10 equals to 33. On this number is 7. 34, 35, 36, 37 over here. 4 by 8 is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Sorry. Nibiru 73, 36. Nibiru starts over here, the number 37. Anyways, I'm quite sure you understand what I was getting at. I'm just talking about formation of 10. Where does 10 show up? If 10 is the end, if we were counting backwards, you start at 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0, okay, would have to fall on 9 again. 0, 9 to link together the same way they do it on the keyboard. But right now, I'm only bringing scenarios, building them for another day where I'm more concrete of its own reality. But the basis is if we had 20 different people that were wrong and 20 different people that were right, what about you're right on Monday and you're right about that and you're right about that? If we were all right about different things, but they all didn't work, it's like saying like this. If I counted by 3, okay, I want to go to Wednesday and I'm only going to count by 3. So I'm going to start Sunday, Wednesday. I'm going to start at Wednesday. I'm going to go to Wednesday and count by 3. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday. I finished on Wednesday. You see how long it took to get to Wednesday again? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Boom. Now it happened again. Was it on the 12th day it happened? What day did it happen again? Let's try this out again. I'm being silly now. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These 3 are done. But I started Wednesday here, so I can't start on Wednesday. I have to end on Wednesday. If I started on Wednesday on 1, wouldn't I have to end on Wednesday at 1? You follow me? Counting by 3, starting on Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Finished on the 3rd. Do you understand how it works? Did you start on the Wednesday or did you start on the next day? Did you end it? Did you start on the 1st? Do you understand? It's 1 day before, 1 day after. You can't figure it out. It's that confusing. Even I can't figure it out. Thank you for watching.